I'm flossing in my Civic. I'm riding in my
behind the scenes of a live stream and shit. But yeah, it's straight, man. Like, it's like something that I noticed, man. Like, it's a couple people that's selling them houses already. Like, I wish I would have checked Marketplace first, because I probably could have saved a couple $100. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. It is what it is. What's up, good people? It's your boy, and we back again for another one. As you can see, we got Dolores propped up on them things, up on them jack stands. We got our bricks or boards or wood stuff to get it higher, to get the transmission from up under there, man. But what we finna start doing, man, is pretty much disassembling everything that is under the hood, so we can get ready to pull this motor off. So I think first what I want to do is just like clear an area over here on the shelf, so that when I do take this stuff off of there, then like it has a nice organized place to go. You know, that way we just don't have stuff everywhere. You know what I'm talking about? So the plan is, like I said, just start with the accessory dry shit, you know what I mean? And go from there. So once we get everything disconnected, then, you know what I'm saying, you can pretty much move forward from there. So we're gonna get busy on that. We're gonna jump back over to the live stream, and then we'll continue the video once y'all see that. All right, let me give y'all the update. Ooh, what the fuck is going on? Face tracking is enabled. All right, so let me bring you around to what we got. That's gonna focus on my face anyway. So what we got behind us is Dolores. Dolores is, as you can see, under revitalization, blah blah blah. So we got the fans out, the radiator out, the accessories off, intake off, water pump is still on there, the AC bracket is still on there. I mean, I don't know why it's still on there, but it's still on there. I think I done pretty much got to a stopping point for the night. Couple hoses need to come off, starter needs to come off, and then we should be good. So yeah, starter come off, heater hose, then we can go to the what you call, the bolts, the motor mount bolts. You know what I'm saying? That's boom. 2 bolts, bing bing, bing bong, and then that thing should come right on up out of there. I'm still kind of looking and debating, trying to see how this is gonna come off. Probably the best case scenario, man, we're gonna probably have to move the bike out so I can go in from the side with the engine hoist and then grab it that way. I know that a lot of times there's so much space between here and then where the actual bumper is that it really causes an issue. So we're gonna try to go in from the side, grab it that way, and yeah, that is the plan. That is the plan. So, but I'm gonna go get something to eat. We are done for the night. So, catch you back on